Hey guys, Miguel First Drive here. Today's video, we're going to work on assembling our Audi Q5 as per the instructions provided in the manual. First and foremost, we want to make our connection for the power to make sure our vehicle is working properly before we start assembling it. Simply connect the two plugs as such and hit the start button on the dash. As you can see, the vehicle is working properly. First, we want to work on our rear wheel assembly. For the rear wheels, we want to use the one that has this plastic hub on it as opposed to the flat one. The flat one is for the front. We're going to take these little white washers and simply slide them into the spot. And the same thing on the other side. Now, we're going to slide the wheel over onto the motor. And you're going to notice that the rod may slide from side to side, and that's okay, because once we tighten up the nuts, it will adjust itself. Now we're going to take our washer, our lock nut, slide it over. And for now, we're just going to hand tighten. Now we're going to repeat the same thing for the other side. Now, we want to take our included wrenches. One on one side, one on the other side, and turn them clockwise simultaneously. Once they're nice and snug, the axle rod will adjust itself. Now we're going to turn to our wheel covers, which have 3 tabs. You want to find the 3 tab holes or notches on the wheel itself. Simply line them up and they click into place. And of course, you repeat for the other side. Now we're going to work on what the manual calls the trolley wheels. Basically, we're going to slide them in and they get secured in place with a screw. Basically, the trolley wheels work with the handle up front that folds down so that you can pull the vehicle from location to location. And the rear wheel assembly is done. Next, we're going to work on the front wheel assembly. Again, the white rings. You want a flat wheel. Before we slide the wheel on, we're going to take a washer, slide it over, and then slide the wheel assembly. Add your washer. Once your washer is in place, start hand tightening the lock nut and finish it off with the enclosed wrench. Again, you want to line up your 3 tabs. Simply click the cover in place, and once again we repeat the same process on the other side. Next, we're going to work on our steering wheel. You'll notice it'll have a screw already in place. There's a nut on the other side. This side is shaped exactly like the nut, so make sure you keep the nut on this side and the screw head on this side. What we want to do is first remove the screw. Put it to the side. Just be careful you don't lose your nut. We're going to remove the protective covering. Before we start on the steering wheel, make sure you want to make a connection and carefully tuck the wiring in. And slide the steering wheel over the shaft. Once your holes are lined up, grab your screw slide it in the passenger side, and place the nut on the driver's side, and simply tighten it down with a screwdriver. Once you've tightened up your steering wheel screw, the steering wheel assembly is complete. Next, we're going to assemble our side view mirrors. Simply slide them into place, and you should hear it snap, and you're good to go. Of course, repeat the process on the other side. Okay, so next we're going to work on our windshield. Simply line up the tabs as such, and you basically just want to push it into place. And that concludes the assembly of the windshield. Okay, so the final part of our assembly is the seat. You want to get these two tabs into these two slots as such. Once they're in place, lay the seat down, locate your screw holes. And tighten down with the included screws. Your seat is now assembled. Now, with your Audi Q5 assembled, you want to take your remote, insert 2 AAA batteries, not included, and you want to pair it to the vehicle. Simply start the vehicle. On your remote, you'll see a car select button. You want to hold it down so the lights start blinking and release it. Once the lights stop flashing, your vehicle should be paired, as you can see. Well guys, this concludes our assembly video for the Audi Q5. If you have any questions or concerns about assembly or any warranty issues, please contact us. The information is on the pamphlet that is included with your assembly manual. Our phone number and email are on there, and our team is available to answer any questions you may have pertaining to your vehicle. We hope this video has been informative, and we thank you for watching once again.